In this video, I want to show you how to make a copy using your HP Laserjet Pro printer. Could also be a color Laserjet Pro printer. So most of these printers have two different scanners. Let me show you how to input paper in both of these. So the top document feeder over here, if you want to use it, you'll have to extend this small flap, okay? And then take your stack of paper or one page, depending what you're trying to scan, and simply glide it over here. If you cannot glide it, it simply means that these guides are blocking. Push them towards the side, and now you'll be able to glide the paper with the whatever you're trying to scan facing up, and with the top of your page, you see this is the top, towards the left side. So you simply need to guide it until you cannot, and this is about it. Okay, the paper will come out from here and will stop over there. If you want to use the basic scanner, open the scan glass lid, place your document facing down this time with the top part towards the left. And now you simply have to align this corner of your paper with this corner over here, so both needs to be touching. Once this is done, close the scan lid, and on the display over here, okay, press the home button. So we are on the home menu. And now we simply have to select copy. It's one of the first options. And over here, this is the quick copy menu. So you're going to have to select the number of copies. And here you also have the contrast. But if you want to have more settings, all right, click on settings. And now you'll be able to modify your copy the way you want. So over here, reduce, enlarge, to make your copy lighter or darker, optimize, and select your paper type, and many other things. I won't go through them, it will take quite a long time, but you get the idea. You have some specific things that you want the printer to know about your copy. You will definitely find the details over here. You even have two-sided copy there. Anyway, let's go back here. And if you want, by the way, to do an ID copy, you know, if you want to scan a driver license, stuff like that, you can scan by pressing on ID copy. It will already know that it will be a small document and not a full page. At the end, simply press start copy and everything should begin and work. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.